Some delays are not punishment because delays don't necessarily mean denial. Some obstacles are not mistakes, and some things don't move no matter how hard you push because it's not time yet. If your plans keep changing, if your progress feels slow, even when you're doing everything right, if life or business feels heavier on certain days, Saturday explains why. Happy Saturn Day. This day is named after the Roman god Saturn. Those that are born with the energy of this day are those born on the 8th, the 17th, and the 26th of the month, or are born under the sign of Capricorn. The energy of Saturn can be felt on Saturday, any of the days that I just mentioned, or during Capricorn season. And Saturn is the planet most people misunderstood and resent because Saturn does not respond to urgency. Saturn responds to discipline, persistence, and patience. This is the day that reveals whether you are building something that can last or trying to escape pressure. Saturday is not here to motivate you, it is here to measure you. This is not the day of ease, despite popular opinion. It is the day of earning. And once you understand Saturn, you stop fighting delays and start using them. Saturn is associated with the number 8. 8 governs discipline, responsibility, structure, authority, time, cause and effect, karma, material mastery. 8 is not fast energy at all. 8 is a step by step energy. You have to take your time with the 8 energy. Saturn does not reward your intention, Saturn rewards consistency. This is the planet that governs long timelines, delayed gratification, legacy, consequences, maturity, fate, and destiny as something built and not wished for. Saturn teaches that destiny is not chosen in a moment, it is constructed through daily behavior over time. That's why Saturdays often feel heavier, quieter, slower, more serious. Saturn compresses energy so you can see what's solid, what's weak, and what can actually support weight. If something keeps breaking, stalling, or demanding revision, Saturn is asking for structure, not effort. That's why it is so important for you to know your numbers. Your numbers matter. If you are unclear about your numbers or even your business number, go to Kimberly.com. That's KIMBALEY.com to find out your personal numbers and your business number, and that link will be right above you. Getting back to Saturday, the 8 also represents finance and romance. And on a personal level, Saturday is going to reveal your relationship with patience, not waiting. Patience. Waiting is passive. Patience is active restraint. On Saturdays, people often feel restricted, tired, reflective, confronted with responsibilities, aware of consequences. This is Saturn asking you, can you do what needs to be done even when it's not exciting, even when it's not fun for you? Some of the highlights that you can expect on Saturday are habits, routines, commitments, boundaries, personal discipline. This is also where karma becomes visible, but not mystical karma, practical karma. the result of what you repeated, what you've avoided, what you tolerated. If Saturday feels heavy, you need to ask yourself, where have I been inconsistent? Where have I avoided responsibility? Where have I tried to take a shortcut in the process? But if Saturday feels steady to you, notice what you've committed to long term, where persistence is finally paying off, where patience has protected you. What I have experienced with Saturn is if I'm working on something and I'm going step by step, everything seems to work out just fine. However, if I miss a step, I tend to have to go back and redo it all over again, or else I don't get the results that I was hoping for. So make sure that you remember to do things step by step and in order on a Saturday or one of those days that equals an 8, like the 8th, the 17th, or the 26th of the month, or especially if you are in the season of Capricorn. Make sure that you are following everything in the process step by step. Saturn also explains why visibility doesn't always convert to money. Growth without structure collapses. The visibility and money report shows you when to push, when to hold, when patience protects profit, when delays prevent loss. Saturn governs sustainability. If you're visible but exhausted, this report is going to explain why. Make sure you click on the link right above you to access the visibility and money report. Now we're going to talk about Saturn in business. In business, Saturn governs systems, operation, long term planning, contracts, legal structures, authority, leadership maturity. Saturday reveals whether your business can hold scale. This is where business plans often change. Not because you fail, though, it's because Saturn demands refinement. Saturday is asking you, is this system strong enough? Is this scalable? Is this realistic? Is it practical? Is it sustainable? This is not a day to launch. It's a day to build and stabilize. Correct business use of Saturday includes reviewing your systems, strengthening operations, restructuring plans, addressing weak foundations, long-term financial planning, responsibility audits. Saturn rewards those business that move step by step, respect time, build slowly but correctly. Shortcuts cost more later, and Saturn is always going to collect. S- What if the timing of your life wasn't random but precise? For decades, Lloyd Strayhorn, astronumerologist, has decoded the language of numbers, revealing when to move, when to wait, and when alignment is on your side. Now that wisdom lives in one place, the Star 8 app. This isn't guessworking. This isn't pop numerology. This is timing, science, rooted in legacy, accuracy, and real world results. With the Star 8, you stop forcing outcomes and start moving with your numbers. If you're ready to make decisions with clarity instead of confusion, this is your entry point. Download the Star 8 app at a star 8 ASTAR, the number 8.com, and step into aligned timing today. You can also get it on the Google Play and the App Store, and you can also go to Lloyd-Strayhorn.com where you can check out some of his other exclusive products and services. Here are some of the misuse and common errors on Saturday. The biggest mistake on Saturday is resistance. People try to escape Saturn by procrastinating, numbing out, overworking, partying, abandoning plans prematurely. Another era is impatient, trying to rush results that require time. In business, the biggest Saturn mistake is scaling before stabilizing. Growth without structure invites collapse. Saturn doesn't destroy, he exposes. The correct way to use Saturday is simple. You commit, you simplify, you structure, you persist step by step. Saturn is asking you, what are you willing to build slowly so that it lasts? This is how fate becomes destiny, not through your vision alone, but through discipline applied consistently over time. In business astronumerology, Saturn days are used to protect your longevity, stabilize growth, prevent burnout, and turn effort into legacy. This is not punishment energy, even though it sounds like it. Saturn is actually the mastery energy. In fact, those that are under that Saturn energy, those people often develop or mature later in life. What I share with you today is only one layer of business astronumerology. This is not the full system. Speaking of systems, that's what Saturday is all about. Being consistent with the systems that you create, having a plan, being organized, and taking life step by step, whether it's personally or in your business. Saturn is asking you to be disciplined, to be patient, and to take things step by step. Happy Saturn Day.